Hi students, today's MCQ and the question is like this. If y is equal to log x square whole divided by x square, then what is dy by dx? And these are the four options. Now function is like this, log x square by x square. This function can also be rewritten using the property of logarithms. That is log a to the power b, it can be written as b log a. If you take the same example as the numerator, log x square can be written as 2 log x. Okay, you can rewrite the function as y is equal to 2 log x by x square. Why am I showing this? To solve this sum and to compare with the given options, you have to use this property of logarithms. Either in the beginning to rewrite the function or at the end to arrive at the right option. First, we are differentiating the function as it is using u by v rule. So denominator square. So the denominator is x power 4. Denominator into derivative of the numerator. Denominator is x square, and when we differentiate log x square, it is 1 by x square, and x square has to be differentiated here, so it is into 2x minus numerator as it is, that is log x square, into derivative of the denominator, which is 2x. Now this x square and 1 by x square gets cancelled, and we can take out 2x as common factor. Now look at this. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 minus log x square whole divided by x cube. Look at the options. You have this x cube in the denominator for option B and C. But look at this. What we have is 1 minus log x in the numerator. Here 1 minus 2 log x, which isn't matching with our answer. But if you use this property of logarithms, then this term can be rewritten as 2 into 1 minus 2 log x whole divided by x cube. Now does the answer match? Yes, it matches with option B. So we applied this property to get the right option. Now let us differentiate this after rewriting the function using the property. Now differentiate this again using u by v rule. Denominator same as this. So x power 4. Numerator will be denominator into derivative of the numerator, that is x square into 2 into 1 by x minus numerator as it is 2 log x into derivative of the denominator, which is 2x. Now you can see one of the x gets cancelled. Dy by dx will be equal to 2x minus 2 log x into 2x whole divided by x power 4. Now if you take out 2x common, one of the x gets cancelled with the denominator x power 4. So our answer is 2 into 1 minus 2 log x whole divided by x cube. It's the same answer, right? Yes, we have to apply this property to get the right option. That is, if you apply the property in the beginning and rewrite, we will get the direct answer. If we directly differentiate the function, we will have to apply this property at the end to get the right. Otherwise, if you don't identify this part, there is all possibility that you end up marking none of these. Identifying this term and applying the property is what matters in this. Hope this is clear.